Grape. Now repeat after me. Grape, grape, grape. Meaning, a grape is a small round fruit that grows in clusters on vines. It can be sweet or tart and is commonly eaten fresh, dried, as raisins, or used to make juice and wine. In a sentence, she picked a grape from the bowl and enjoyed its sweet taste. Here, grape refers to the small fruit she ate. Let's try another example. The vineyard was full of ripe grapes ready to be harvested for wine production. Now it's your turn. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using grape. Synonyms. Some related terms for grape are berry, a small juicy fruit like grapes or strawberries. Raisin, a dried grape. Antonyms. The opposite of grape would be none, as grape is a specific fruit. It doesn't have a direct opposite. Part of speech. Grape is a noun referring to a type of fruit that grows in clusters on vines. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.